Hi my friends, today we model this part which has some interesting features. The drawing is here. We start by creating this funnel. Dimensions are an ellipse up with this semi dimensions, and the distance is 40. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT, new plane, new sketch, X to the right, circle 50, finish sketch, then a new plane based on this one up at 40. A plane for a new sketch. The sketch is an ellipse, I said. We start from here, we go somewhere, and so. Dimensions are 42.5 and 11. Finish sketch. We hide this plane and we apply loft, starting from here, ending to here. Okay. The thickness is 1 millimeter. We apply the tool shell. This is not necessary, also the other one, and the thickness is 1, as you can see. Okay. We extend that first feature with 80 minus 40. We select this plane, for a new sketch. We project external and internal circle, and we apply extrude of this on 80 minus 40. Okay. Good. There are two fillets, radius 50 and radius 10, symmetrical. We select this and we apply 50, but also on the other side, plus the other distance is 10 to be applied here and here. Okay. Another feature is this cylinder, dimensions 52 on 12. We use the same face. We project external circle and we apply offset of 1, the thickness, because this dimension is 52, you see. Finish sketch, extrude this area the other direction on 12. Okay. The last feature is this cut. Dimensions 5:3. It is only on a side, not through the part. We use the plane XY, F7, we project this line, then a rectangle with dimensions 3 tab 5. This midpoint goes to the center point. Finish sketch, extrude with cut the other direction all the way through the part. Okay, very nice. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same. You know what we did here, so we use this last value. Okay. The material is stainless steel. We apply shaded, not shaded with edges, then default lights. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.